Just 1 to 2 trades a day. That is all. Just 1 to 2 trades a day. What's up, you guys? Happy Monday. What up, YouTube? What up, TikTok? I hope you guys are crushing it in all departments, and we're really doing it. We are really doing it. I don't know about you guys, but I've shown up every day for the past year. So today's just another day, I guess, and we're going to do it again, which is interesting. What's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? Big Cash Dog. K Dot. Swaggy D, what up? SD. Big Deleter. Stop hitting me with facts, son. Every day, practically. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just 1 to 2 trades a day. That is all. That's all you got to do is just stick to 1 to 2 trades a day. What's up? Podcast. Bro, me and Raja have the dopest fucking vlog coming out after this stream. I'll post it on my channel after this stream. It's not like anything you've seen in the trading space. It's like, it might as well just be a fitness vlog, to be honest. But it's fucking dope. You just get to see, like, you know, real shit. 1 to 2 trades a day. So we're moving up here today. It's pretty obvious, like we were calling this last week, right? That the fact that this massive Trump move was going to get filled, and that's exactly what it did. So we're still on our way up here. Does it need a pullback? Maybe. I've got a couple levels marked here. You guys on TikTok should be able to see that as well. But you guys on YouTube can see it very clearly. If you guys on TikTok want a full screen, there's a... I'm live on YouTube as well for the full screen. What do you use to stream? It's called OBS. OBS. Oh, no, no. How did you know? Oh, I think Raja just probably came across my shit from online, and he knew that I learned from him. He would have just heard through the grapevine that I always glaze him on the stream and shit. So he said, let's catch up and talk shit. And we get along really well, so it just kind of flows, and, you know. Because you're dedicated, Nathan, that's why. So let's do a quick top-down analysis here. Let's get a bit of a grip on where we are here on the market, you guys. If we have a look at this weekly here, you know, we're kind of working our way back up. I understand that everyone's anticipating a push to all-time highs, so let's drop back to the daily. There's no denying that we're making like higher lows. I know there's a lot of trend line guys looking at this trend line of prosperity here. There's definitely some sort of trend line here. But regardless of that, we can just clearly see that we're making higher highs, higher lows. So we're working our way up here. The 4 hour is very strong. Very strong. That previous 4 hour closure is as strong as you're going to see with the candle. We understand there's a massive naked wick here that needs to be filled. And you got to ask yourself, okay, if price has enough to push up and to potentially fill this wick over here, I know that this level just above the wick is super strong level, and there's very clean range above that as well. So what's to say price doesn't come up here and say, you know what, man, I don't mind hanging out up here, and then just continues after that. So as of now, I don't want to sell. I probably won't sell even if I get that closure below. It'd be very difficult for me to want to sell today. And I want to buy gold today. You know, the hour, same shit, just moving up. I understand that previous hour is a bit smaller, but I'm not concerned about that. We've got a couple of, this 30-minute support that was just formed here, this red candle here, is actually exactly what you want to see for a continuation up. I'm actually going to delete this sells below because I don't want to sell today. I'm not a dealer today. I'm not selling shit. So I'd rather buy. If you see this formation as well, look at this formation, what happened here, and then what happened to the next candle just pushed over. This is the exact formation when we get to all-time highs. I'm going to be teaching the guys in the mentorship how do we catch this play. I don't want to do it yet until we get back to all-time highs, but we're doing the exact same thing here. So if we get a break above, I'm going to be looking to buy gold. Yeah, I think you guys are really going to fuck with this vlog that I'm dropping after stream. I think it's going to be like dope for the trading industry, just to see like a different side of traders, and just especially Raja because he's such a, OG in the game. It's detected that your live didn't appear on the screen for the. Hey bro, what are you talking about, TikTok? Yeah, you guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now if you want to see the full screen. What up, Dillawa? What's up, brother? And I made 140 this morning, back to break even. Beautiful. Awesome, man. Big Mitch. Yay, more money's coming out of my account for something. Liquidity, literally. Perry, you need to do a liquidity, little league rap on TikTok. Hey, Nicholas, my man. After rewatching your private seminar, I learned... Which one was that? I'm thinking about deleting that old one that I have on there. Just because I feel like I'm better at teaching these days. And I don't even remember what I haven't watched that video since I posted it. Oh, wow, but you've been green for 5 days since. Wow, okay. Maybe I should leave it there then. Some guys are getting benefits out of it. Well, 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. Bro, in what part of the world though? You know what I mean? You can't just say that. It depends like where you live. Everyone here lives in different places. Duty! I don't understand that when traders say that. Hey, they're like, they talk about, yeah, I'm going to be on it. This is the best time to trade. And they mention like 4 a.m. And it's like, hey bro, do we just know where you live? Like, that's why I always say, I'll see you at the session open, London open, because wherever you are in the world, it's going to be, first weeks in Dubai are beyond what I could even have imagined. Blessed and highly favored, I would have to say. Because it's unusual how good it's been. It's not usual. It's out of the ordinary. Ordinary. Flippity dippity dip. Why did you want to delete it? Just because it's dated. Like I haven't watched it. I'll have to go back and watch it, but I just feel like I could probably teach better now. But I'm just saying that based on the fact that I'm a massive critic of myself, so I could only imagine if it was nearly a year ago, then who knows? I have to watch it. But guys, it look like the guys are benefiting from it still. Riddle 3, Italy. Liquidity. Not had a chance to say thank you for the webinar Thursday, so help. That's sick, Chris. Yeah, dope, brother. Yeah, we covered a few things on Sunday with the guys in the mentorship, just going over the webinar and just some of the psychology behind trading, the statistical part of it. You look at what Mark Douglas says. He always refers back to the fact that we are the casino. Wins and losses are randomly distributed. We could have 5 wins in a row. Like just do it's all math really. If you can stick to the plan, it's just math. And then we have our like human edge that takes it a little bit above a math, like above roboticness. Like intuition, humanness is the one thing you need. Who lifts more, you or Raja? Bro, Raja's pretty jacked, bro. You wait till you see the video, it's dope. Yeah, with Raja and Umar, yeah, it was sick, man. Raja's brother is a G as well. Yeah, Raja's brother is a fucking G. He's in the video as well. I've been stuck at break even for 3 weeks straight. Bro, that's nothing. Just can't get past this challenge. I think you're doing something really good. If you're able to keep your account at the same point for 3 weeks, I think you're doing the right thing. Just keep going, bro. Yeah, keep going. Don't allow, don't get tilted. Don't do anything dumb. Just keep going. You'll get there. Do you look to the left? Yeah, the left's clean. W7R, nice. Oh, you got them books, Cash? Sick. The 3 books to life. Trading, The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hogard. If you want to understand how to really think and grow rich, Napoleon Hill. And then Skills with People, just basic. This is like, look how thin it is. It's just a basic book on, this book actually is just a summary of how to win friends and influence people. When I read that book and then I read this, I was like, oh, this is literally just a summary of that. And you need the Bible. That's the main one. There's no use on just how you perceive it. Yeah, I agree with that. That's what I was even saying to Raja. When I first did Raja's course way back in the day, I'm not even joking, you guys. It was him standing here with a like a whiteboard, but like, you know, them big old school pieces of paper, like them big fucking white. It's like big fold over pieces of paper, and it's him just drawing candles with a texter. That's all. It was short, quick, and but that was all I needed. There's so many people out there, they think that you need like quantum mechanics to fucking understand a thing. It's like, bro, this motherfucker was drawing candles with a texter, and his handwriting's real messy as well. That got me going, bro. That's all I needed. I understood. Okay, this is the structure, this is the game, this is the rules. But yeah, I might be on Raja's stream on Friday. Yeah, I got a place here in Dubai. When's the podcast? Probably not for 2 weeks, but a 16-minute video is coming out after this stream on my channel of me and Rhoda. It's just us mud wrestling for 16 minutes. Yeah. So yeah, really looking for a break above this level here. Looking for a break above this level here. Chrome, it's probably because you're on Forex. This is Forex here. Very similar, but I'm trading futures, you're trading Forex. Pretty much the same shit. Yeah, very. Bro, but it's legit. It's in the fucking title. Yeah, there's no more buy one, get one free, unless they randomly pop in the chat and say it is. Because they're pretty active in the YouTube chat. But as of now, it's just a 50% off for Prop XP. Then if I read that book, do I also get a free mummy? Oh, remember that chick I DM'd? Yeah. I guess she doesn't want to be mummy. Oh, production quality W legend, bro, legit. But it's true, it's like you don't need much more. It's only idiots that think that they need like quantum fucking mechanical breakdowns, and even then they don't take it in. Think about anything in life. This is something I realized by hanging out with Raja and that. Like, he's super successful, has multiple businesses, but it's very evident, and this is a compliment, not a diss. It's very evident that he's just a guy that tried a thing, did it, succeeded, and just kept going. Like, he's not like this dude. There's no major degrees or crazy fucking education. It's just like, let me do a thing, figure it out on the way, and then make it work. Same way of me moving to Dubai and doing all this shit. It's just like, let me just do it and figure it out. Same way with the guy that built the Burj Khalifa, the massive, tallest building in the world. He goes, me and my dad owned a bakery and a shoe store. We weren't engineers, but we just did it and figured it out on the way. Stupid people think they have to have everything figured out. Bro, you don't have to have shit figured out. As long as you're driven enough to just fucking punch through it and figure it out on the way. I swear, man, you speak to any successful person, I guarantee that's the mindset they all had. All right, so we've got a minute and a half here for this candle. See if it wants to break above. So is it possible to be profitable by doing everything you can online without buying a mentorship? Oh yeah, it's possible. You can definitely do that. Mentorships are only if you want to speed up the process. Yeah, mentorships only if you want to speed up the process. And that constant accountability will speed the process up. Yeah. Realize this game consists of refining your skills. Yeah. Just keep. Yeah, it works on both. Excel. Yeah, I traded Forex for a couple of years. I don't even know the difference between minis and micros, Frank, to be honest. B-dub, well, we're here now, we're back at it. Official mentorship intake starts tomorrow. Yep. Be taking on some guys one-on-one. Yeah, London will probably be slow. I don't know. Like we had a pretty... What's the range on this move that we did today, you guys? Oh, 200 pips. It's actually more than that because we started down here, didn't we? 250 pips pre-London. So, knowing my luck, bro, like London is just slow motion. It's like the liquidity providers and, you know, these massive ICT who's above it all, creating all the algorithm says, oh, that Daniel Holmes dude's on stream, slow the market down. Oh, NQ, haven't looked at NQ. We're approaching this, look at this level right here. I'd want to see a break above this. Is this all-time highs on NQ? Yeah. Yeah, I'd want to see a break above. Because even if we get a break above this structure here, which it did, there's not much range to that next level, which is right there. I'm not comfortable with that. Damn, NQ just fucking pushing as well. Okay. I heard about spread. Do you get that with prop farm? Yeah, you get spread. Spread's something that you're always going to get on Forex. Yeah. Well done on your intros, Raja. Thank you, bro. Yeah, me and Raja, and even Raja's brother, we get on really well, man. Bewanwa. Yeah, hopefully. I think you should be good, man. Anyone that's super keen, I feel like I'll be really wanting to help those guys the most. Is it 40 pips, Shem? Huh. If it does what you want to see, I think I'm just going to look at gold today. Nah, I didn't go. I went to Raja's actual Dominican markets office. Yeah. Big FK, what up, bruh? So yeah, we're going to want to see a breakout, you guys. Who is Raja? Raja Banks. Just wanted to trade today. That's all that you got to do. Bro, my back and triceps are so sore from trading. Is Raja proud? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm posting the video after this stream. As soon as this stream ends, I'm jumping into my YouTube and it's getting posted, my bro. What up, Tyron? Did you study, bro? Bro, I dropped a study line in the vlog. I dropped the study line. If you guys catch the study line in the vlog, you got to comment, drop something, man. So I know that you guys know the freaking the law. I paid 155 AED to do a one session at this gym. I actually paid it twice because I had to pay for my videographer. In the Beninging. Is Raj your father? Yes. NQ broke. Yeah, I know, but it's just like, I don't want to buy. I mean, you guys, if you guys like it, I don't think I really want to play with what I'm looking at here. I was about to say what I'm looking at here on Raja. What I'm looking at here on NQ. Hello, if you now market, what times are the best? London is 18 minutes ago, every day. Yeah, if you guys like what you're seeing on NQ, go for it. But I haven't really done much analysis on NQ, and I don't really care about it right now. Big Graph. I like what you said at the start there, Graph. It made me laugh. Fuck, what did you say? Can we take some money today, guys? Question mark. Please, please, I need fucking... What prop firm you use? Prop XP, you can see it on the screen there. I got a 50% off code. I do just trade one thing, just gold. I play with NQ a little bit, but that's it. It's mainly just gold. Nah, that's not how it works. 1-1 I feel like Raja, if Raja was a girl, you would have asked her out. Bro! Don't assume his gender. I mean, if this candle breaks below, I know, Mitch, it's gonna be freaking hard not to. It's gonna be hard for me not to want to sell this if it breaks below. Maybe. Yeah, fuck it. It'll be a 30 break. It'll be a bit of a pretty strong 30. I could see us getting potentially stuck in it for a little bit. Best session to trade in your opinion? Depends what your definition of the best is. Like, they're all good sessions. If you trade gold, gold moves great during Asia, London, and New York. So they're all good. Yeah, exactly, EA. Very careful with counter trend trades. Yes, you can trade gold with Prop XP. Why not XAU? Oh, AUD, USD? Because that's like, moves slow and shit for scalping. Yeah, so if I got a solid buffer now, that's the benefit of holding prop accounts for a while. Like, you want to build that buffer. Takes a bit of the stress off, for sure. And as you build the buffer, you can just increase your size with time in a mature manner. Not, if you guys notice, I've had these accounts for over 4 months. So I'm just slowly sipping Johnny Walker. Low-key missing the classic green screen, and bro, this is the upgraded green screen. This is the upgraded green screen, man. Yeah, you don't want to trade the Sydney session. Although the Sydney session for NQ, man, if you pay attention, it fucking moves. You look good, bro. Dubai gave you a glow up. Thanks, bro. Yeah, I've been in the sun a bit. I've got to get way more sunned up, though. I want to get tanned. I'm trying to get that, fuck, what's his name? That fitness dude that lives here. Fuck. I'm trying to get tanned up. Yes, thank you, Shem. Mike Thurston. I'm trying to get that Mike Thurston tan. Bro, how is that motherfucker so tanned? And he's going to look so old when he gets older. Like, you can't get that freaking... Anyway, well, I'm willing to do it. Imagine he gets a green screen with the Brisbane Bridge on it, bro. That'd be hilarious. So we've got 7 minutes here. This candle's kind of moving down. We'll see what happens. The positions on gold shouldn't be held up for too long. Every time it's going to hit the stop loss. I don't know what you mean by that, bro. Dude, now you live in Mia Khalifa? Huh? Film more YouTube videos? Bro, I'm dropping one after this stream on my YouTube channel. Me and Raja, day in the life. Train at Dubai's biggest gym. Bro, you should start vlogging on YouTube. I am. I have been. I'm going to continue it as well. I've got to fucking hire like a full-time a videographer. I've been speaking to a guy. What time is it in Dubai? 11:23 a.m. Days feel like they go slower here because I've been up since fucking 3:20 a.m. %, Perry. Of course. Yeah. Definitely. That was the first thing I wanted to, like, I didn't want to focus on it too much, but I was like, I want to get my fucking, you know what I mean? You want to get that money back. Why not hammer candles? Because you can't take a trade just based on a structure of a single candle. Like, it needs to be a confluence of a bunch of different shit together. Yeah, gold's doing some sort of sell thing. I mean, there's a lot of range here. Like, it would make sense. They don't have a Coles over here. Look, that's my only critique on Dubai. It's like, I need they have a lot of supermarkets, but I'm like, Coles and Woolies had like everything perfect. It had all the meats. Like, the biggest thing is the meat section. It's like, just give me the fucking normal meats, bro. Why do I have to have ostrich tail and shit? Can't I just have beef? They have a lot of Australian beef here, but I don't know. Looking for a pullback to re-enter. I'm looking for a break below this level to maybe anticipate just a small breakout for a small continuation pullback kind of play. Might be the thing. How does a mentorship class take? Mentorship class. The mentorship's not a class. Mentorship's a one-on-one thing where we work one-on-one. Like, you get connected with me. We have all the course content, community, and you get a free massage by one of the boys in the community. It's a random pick. Bro, I'm sure you've learned a lot from Raja Banks after meeting him. Yes, I have, for sure. Yep. There's really, Benji? Yeah, I need some guidance. You're right. Yeah, you're right, Shem. You're right. But Shem, were they 30-minute breakouts? Yeah, what up, Carolina? But I know structurally this looks exactly the same. Thank you, Jason. I'm going to take a photo of that because I'm in desperate need for a good meat place here. I want the massage. Yeah, look, Shem here in the chat will do it. Yes, I find my range, Babia. I find my range and then I look for closures outside of that range and retests and things like that. Yep. Ostriches have tails. Yeah, Shem is very good. Big Kelvin, what up, brother? Daniel's the goat of live stream trading. Bro, I'm just a goat in real life. Like, outside of here, you'll usually find me in a paddock, literally eating grass and shitting. But yeah, you guys, if you guys on TikTok, as soon as I finish this stream, I'm dropping the craziest vlog with Raja Banks. Somewhere 15 and 30? Okay. Let me have a look. Were they? But there was specifically two that looked structurally just like this. I wonder if they were 30s. Perry, I'll do it. Trade sharp. Yeah, a few people have said that in the... is he in Dubai? Ah, maybe we should. People said stuff about him before and I never really looked into it. Finally met Raja. Bro, how much have I talked about Raja from the first day of my streaming to now, and then the universe just connected, transformed, and I bent time and space. Little does Raja know I actually planted the seed into his mind through massive manifestation and action. Trust me, bro. He doesn't even realize that. Trust me, he does not realize it. Nah, no cartings. All right, so we've got a minute here for this candle closure. This is also going to be a 30-minute closure. If I want to take a closure below here, I'm going to need... Yeah, I want like a decent stab. I don't want to be a little bitch-ass closure like this. I want to see a decent stab. Check this here. Okay, let's check this here. So what we were saying before with Shem here in the chat is this structure last week, 2 specific times, developed this exact play in an uptrend. We formed a bit of consolidation, then broke to the downside, retested, and then we took a sell and got cooked both times. Textbook play against the trend, but gold just didn't want to sell last week. So let's have a look here and we can look at an example of that. Look how similar this looks structurally, you guys. Doesn't this look exactly structurally the same? The break below, we got that retest, it flipped 1 pip below and then cooked us. This exact thing happened multiple times last week. And what Shem's saying over here is it's kind of doing the same thing now. It's not, because we didn't end up breaking below, which is good, but you know, I always say you're always going to lower the and you guys know this, you're going to lower the probabilities of it playing out in your favor if you're going against the trend, which we can see here has been moving up all day. Who's keen to jump on a chat after this in the mentorship? You guys, oh yeah, do it for the, I was going to say, make sure you watch the Raja vlog first. But yeah, if you do that. When's, bro, imagine that'd be so fire to get a Luke Velmar vlog. Steady, man. Alright, so look at this, we're kind of in this range still. I missed trading. Well, congratulate, like, happy for you to be back. We're here. Does Raja make most of his money out of trading now? I mean, I doubt it. He's got a prop firm, he's got a brokerage, he's got an education platform. Yeah, I'd find that very difficult to believe. Why do you think the guys in my community, this is what I was saying to Raja on the podcast, is like, you guys that I tell you to stream and I'm telling you, and I have a channel in the mentorship saying, like, we're not active in it, but it's called personal branding. I want you guys to build your personal brand, because do you want to be trading your entire life, or do you want to have multiple streams of income? You probably want to have multiple streams of income, right? And just having your own personal brand in a space that you're passionate about, like trading, brings so many fucking opportunities you have no idea. Like, I got offered, I would make more than $10,000 a month USD, I'm talking about, so like with commissions and shit on top, it'd be around, okay, let's talk about AUD. It'd be about 15K AUD, Australian dollars a month, just to promote a prop firm. It's not much, it's nothing crazy, right? And that's nothing, man. So there's like so many avenues you can go, and all you have to do is like, all I say is like, make content around the thing you're passionate about. Like, don't, that idea that like you have to be a hardcore, I'm just a trader, like people don't like the word trading and content together. They're like, if you make content, you're a fake trader. It's like, hey bro, it's not 1970. Like we're really trying to be entrepreneurs out here. Type shit. What about Anya Trades? Did she answer? I don't know. Let's have a look. Did Anya Trades answer me? Let's see if Anya Trades answered. Wait, where's the DM gone? Oh, here she is. Okay. No, she didn't answer. Why I wonder why, like... It's with a restraining order. Who is that chick? I don't know. I got gaslit to message someone. Bag fumbled. Yeah, I know. Who's that chick? Some sort of trader, apparently. Yeah. Matt Werbley lives in Dubai. He's a successful lad. English guy, AI businesses. Really? Yeah, there's a lot of guys here, man. I'd be happy reaching financial freedom with trading alone. Yeah, you can reach financial freedom with trading alone, but then you want... It's just smart. It's just logically a smart thing to have multiple streams. Blocked, yeah. How can I register for your mentorship? Just type Daniel Holmes Trades. If you go to danielholmestrades.com, look, this is it here. Boom, apply. We're officially launching tomorrow, so I'll jump in now because we're gonna, you know, go through some of the lists and shit. Call her? Bro, that's restraining order shit. Does she really have that mic? Financial freedom would be such an accomplishment. Yeah. Bro, I didn't get to that point until I was 32. I struggled with... I lived paycheck for paycheck for 32 years. And I said in my head at the age of 28 or 29, the lowest point in life, tears, just so depressed. I'm like, I would rather than settle down or commit to a 9 to 5. I would rather not. So I'm going to dedicate however long it takes to locking the fuck in, because to me, and there's nothing wrong with 9 to 5. There's nothing wrong with providing for your family. It's a noble thing. But for me, it just wasn't in my soul. I couldn't do it. I didn't want to be if I had to do that. So I said, it's either I lock the fuck in, I don't care how long it takes, but I truly lock in to achieve what I'm achieving now, or I'm done, bro. It's God's just screaming at me like, this isn't your path. So the reason you're in so much pain is because you're consistently going against what I've put in your soul to achieve. So I was like, I can't stop until I get there, man. It was too painful for me personally. It was way too painful. I hated it. Not working, but I hated not living in alignment with what was meant to be my destiny. Just keep checking your emails, Iverson. Keep checking your emails. Live under a bridge? Yeah, legit, bro. Yep. What up, Muhammad? Dali. NQ. Ooh, NQ looks ugly on the 30. So yeah, just stick with this bias here for the minute on gold, but at least we're like in this consolidation range. Got the markets kind of pinned here. Luke Belmar said, "We are free. We can go live under a bridge." Wait, what? It's in the description, Ahmed. Steady, bro. Can sell now, sir. Sir, I was gonna not let you sell, but permission granted. Permission has officially been granted. But what's the cost of live comfortably in AEU? UAE? It depends what you mean by that. Yeah, it depends what you mean by that, bro. I don't think this is a good place to be unless you have high income. Because why be here? Just go anywhere else. Like go to Bali or something where it's probably cheaper. You know what I mean? if we close up, oh yeah, 100% GA. There's a ton of clean range here. We've got these massive wicks to fill, my dude. And even besides that, we've got clean traffic with closed candles. This is like buy above here is like load up a little bit type shit. Yeah, this is kind of load up a little bit type shit. Mohammed, I don't even need to know that. I just, for today, which is Monday, all we've been doing is moving up. The main thing I struggle with is understanding the higher time frames and their importance. Yeah, that's something that is probably, you know, like higher time frame confluence is something that probably, you know, might take the longest to get a bit of grasp of. But even that, it's not that, it doesn't take that grasp. Just use the same like thought process you would when you're doing lower time frame confluence, but with the higher time frames. Like we can already identify that this 4 hour is very bullish and it broke above this 4 hour section here. I mean, support here, resistance here. We can see there's a 4 hour wick here. We know that like on lower time frames, when there's a wick, it typically needs to be filled, and just kind of just try and look at it as if you would lower time frames, and then just work your way down. Okay, 4 hour, 1 hour, or daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, or weekly, monthly, you know, work your way down. Join the waitlist. Yeah, nice. Okay, sick. Is your coming mentorship free? Yes. What I've done is loaded my entire calendar with one-on-one sessions to help other people become financially free through trading for free. I don't know anything. No, I don't even know what divergence means. Ariel, what up, what up, what up? Hey, Zilla. Okay, price is pushing down again. If the... Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. I'd like price to just cook in this range a little bit longer, to be honest. How's the mummy? Yeah, we pulled it up before. For whatever reason that it's not working, like we haven't got a reply. Yeah. So awesome. You're dedicating the rest of your life to that for free. Oh man. I'm so hungry. I've only eaten a protein bar all day. I like your live. I like you. Yeah, I'm into you. I want to go on a date with you, and I don't know if you're, I don't know anything about you. All right, lock in. What age did it click for you? Way later than I wish I did. I only got to I got into trading at 28, and struggled for like probably 2 years. Why do you just choose that support place? I don't understand the mark to the downside. It's the level where the green and red candle have closed side by side on the 15-minute time frame. Below that, there's clean traffic. So I know that this is now going to be an area that's respected when these candles close like this. And look at this, it did get respected. We failed to break below that multiple times. And it's the same up here. And the reason it's the same up here is because I know above this is clean traffic. So both ends, below and above, is clean. So if we get a candle that can kind of break below those respected levels, you know, there's a probability that we can continue in that direction for at least 20 pips. GA, I only trade Asia and London. They're both good for gold. What do you mean by clean traffic? I just mean like one color. Like I don't go any lower than the 15-minute time frame. So as long as there's one color on the 15:30, the 15-minute time frame, that's clean traffic for me. Even if this one color is like ugly looking candles with wicks and shit like that, but they're consistently that same color, I'm typically okay with that. But if there was a red candle just randomly here, I'd be like, oh shit, there's a support level down here. Right, so that'd be my next target. If we broke below, retested and started to push, that would be my target then. But and then in cases like this where there's not red at all for so long, then we have to have like an imaginary target, which would typically be like, 20 pips we might take off 85% of the position, move stops to break even and let the rest run. Okay, look at this. We failed to break below again. Price failed to break below. We are still moving down though. I can see a drop here. You, Raja Bakes, use the same strategy? I don't even know these days, but yeah, just simple price action. Same idea and system, yep. And, one of the lads that went to take this breakout trade in the community here today, a bit of a risky one in the sense that we've already had 3 candle closures. The one that broke out was like the small body closure, which is, yeah, a big red flag. 1 hour is a bit weird. Yeah, but the 15 told the story in this case. The 15 told all we need, all that we needed to know in that case.
All right, so we're gonna go meet.
As soon as this vlog's over, as soon as this live stream's over, you guys, lock in.
It's gonna make no difference. That's a good point. Yeah.
You doing so on?
Yeah. Beautiful. Can't turn down a challenge. And that goes for life. So this is my inspirational talk.
Let's go, one more. Push.
One more. One more is help. He's helping. He's helping.
All right.
Good.
All you need is some desi lassi. Guy needs desi lassi.
One for your ex. Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll drop that one after this stream. Bro, you have a lot of bots? Yeah, I know. Nah, I don't have a dual screen. I got a long one here. It's pretty annoying to fit everything on, to be honest. Sent a mentorship request but got declined. Ooh. Yeah. Can't wait to watch it. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Yeah, it's a full gym vlog. Like the first 5 minutes is like Imraj's studio and shit in his office, and then we go to the gym and just, it's dope, man. It's a different video. Like it's not us just sitting there talking about charts, but we do like break down charts and shit. Yeah, Raj is actually jacked. This one's for your ex. Stop it as fuck. Yes. Talk to be profitable. GA, I don't know. But don't take my word, because I fucked around for a long time. I fucked around in the sense that, yeah, my ego was in the way a lot. Took me 2 years just to get fucking shit happening. How much does he weigh? I'm not even sure. But Raj is a tall dude as well. Like, I'm 6. And he's like taller. He's like 6'2", maybe? Nah, it doesn't mean anything. C+. Don't pay attention to those impulse little moves. Try not to get invested in the micro moves on a candle. It's a good idea. You want to preserve that mental capital. Try not to get too invested. If you guys notice, like, I am watching, but I'm really not paying too much emotional attention until it gets closer to the candle closure. Really kind of trying to preserve that mental capital. Can you explain the lines? It's just an area where price is respecting. So because price is respecting those levels, if a candle breaks below or above that, there's a pretty high probability that it's going to continue in that direction. Because it's showing that it's no longer respecting that level. How old are you? I'm 34. With how much can you move to Dubai as a trader? I mean, just the same amount you would to move anywhere. Yeah, just the same amount. Yes, that's Raja. Does Raja remember you from when you... No. No, Raja doesn't do like one-on-ones like that. Like, he doesn't... No, I just do his course in the shadows. Look into prop firms, the Moodleys. Look into what a prop firm is. What do you reckon newbies to watch? Just the very basics. Just the very basics. Just type into Google, what is trading, what is this? Like, just start from the ground up. Yeah, that's right, Benji. So, they're making the frogs scary. Daniel, please tell me the correct silver bullet time per session. Bro! I don't know what you mean. Lamb Tech, it's on my website, danielholmestrades.com. Boom. So yeah, we're waiting for this candle to close here. I mean, if it's an hour closure, we could be looking at some sort of hour type 2. Breaking back into this range. You know, we're being able to hold this ground for a while now. We have been able to hold this ground for a while down here. They're making the frogs scary. Yeah, here's a pop. Can I please join your mentorship? No, I actually haven't seen a Bugatti yet. I've seen a ton of Lambos. Every second car is a fucking G-Wagon. Oh, what up, Prop XP? Prop XP are back in the chat and they're switching up their name again. They're back to support Prop XP. Prop XP are actually live in the chat again. You guys can see the 50% off code there. Prop XP goated. Yes, sir. What's your advice? Find God. What up, Prop? Prop XP clapping back. Sales look good. Yeah, we're gonna need to wait for this freaking closure. Yeah, Prop XP have had enough, eh? Dan met Raja. Yes, Dan's going to drop a video of him with Raja as after this live stream ends. It's already uploaded. I just got to click publish. So keep your eyeballs peeled on this channel after the stream. That's right, Prop XP. We are freaking firing on all cylinders. We are ready to blow accounts left, right, and center. So lock in, chat. Good to have you, CJ. Prop XP isn't actually a human. It's it's like an. it's an AI that just transcended into like some sort of organism. Oh, that's right. It's not for Americans. The music has stopped. Oh, you're right. Thank you. Clean range to left. Yes, sir. Bro, you met Raja Banks? Yep, I'm dropping a video with him after this stream on my YouTube channel. Yep. Rat scalp for life. Look in for Anya. Yeah, fair enough. Oh, broke back fucking syndrome, man. Yeah, Static fashionably late. Static is fashionably late with 10 new blown accounts. What are you guys? Everyone's doing the lotto strategy in the chat or something. I read a bunch of lotto strat stuff. Nah, you don't need 100 Pez. Just go and send her a rap. Did Dan say he was going to kiss Raja? Yeah, I kissed him through the phone. Nah, mummy girl didn't reply. I don't know why, bro, honestly. So 3 minutes for this candle closure. I might be interested in a 1 hour sell. Maybe. Sort of, not really. We'll see. Raja from drilling from oil to selling oil? Wait, what do you mean selling oil? Oh, yes, yes. Crazy. Let's wait for the market to pull back. I mean, it's pulling back. I'm trying to... I don't want to sell. I hope it breaks back up in the range or breaks out like this at least. Because I don't want to sell gold. When will you release a podcast? So the podcast with Raja probably won't come out for another 2 weeks, but I'm about to release a vlog with a full video of me and Raja hanging out for the day after this stream. It's already uploaded. I just got to click publish. Yeah, it's already uploaded. Yeah, I remember that, Nev. Yeah. So price is still like kind of just consolidating in this range. Patience is going to be really important, obviously. Today I made what I make all week in the last Beautiful, CJ, and that's the name of the game. Don't get butthurt about a couple red days. You can make it all back in one. Start streaming in Dubai. Wait, what do you mean? I am streaming. I am in Dubai. Daniel, you are our Raja. Do you know what? It's a bit of a crazy full circle moment because I'm posting this content with Raja and, you know, people know the lore of Raja here, the glaze that's gone on and how he's motivated me to get into this game. And then people are saying to me, man, I'll meet you one day. Like, you motivated me. You're the mother. You're my Raja who art in heaven. Hallowed be thy name. Like, it's crazy, the full circle. And then my goal is to train up new traders. Some of them want to make content and like build their personal brand, and I'm sure my goal is to build the next generation of traders as well, and just keep the cycle going, and then build them up to they build the next, you know. All right, so we've got a pretty good closure here, man. Not a huge fan on how it looks on the 30, 15, but I do like how it looks on the hour. Wondering if I've got private chats saying they're different accounts. The only account that is me here. Oh, look at this, it's pushing down now. No, obviously need a retest. I'm gonna stick to this hour for a minute. If this can flip up, retest, and then flip back down, I'll be looking at taking an hour type 2. Can I meet you in person, Daniel Holmes? I am Dubai. Ooh, I don't know. Raja is streaming. Spam Raja's chat and say Daniel said he's bigger than you. So Daniel said he's stronger and bigger. We're sending out the emails, Daniel, today and tomorrow and shit like that. So check all your emails, check your spam folders and shit like that. Oh, yesterday. Nah, we're going to do a live. I might be on Raja's live stream on Friday, actually. Yeah. You're our mommy. Wait, what, Shem? Raja's looking at gold. Why didn't you sell? Well, the next thing is I need a retest of the level. You always need the retest. You know, this is pretty ugly. This is pretty ugly stuff, you guys. This isn't pretty. Yeah, this isn't pretty. This isn't pretty stuff here. I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet. I mean, if it wicks up and then breaks its own bottom wick, I might be forced into a trade, but we'll see. Yeah, I've seen that heartbeat. Raja's ignoring us. Yeah, Raja doesn't not always read the chat. My prop is saying I have taken a loss for today, but my last losing trade was on Friday. Your calmness and patience for me. Yeah, we just gotta wait, man. We have to wait. We have to wait for retests. I don't trust this. Yeah, this is very ugly. I will admit. I like how it looks on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, but the rest is ugly. Raja's yapping. Oh. What's your average RR? Probably 1-1. Oh, you're not profitable. It's got to be at least 1-700. the easiest way to figure out if somebody's not a profitable trader, if you say to them, my RR is a 1-1, and they say, oh, dude, you could literally just staple a fucking sticky note to their head saying, loser! Nah, but you could just, that's like a good way to identify who's not profitable. Because they don't understand how the game works. Raja can yap all he wants. Perry, you zesty bastard. Yeah, we'll see what gold's doing here, man. This is like weird structure. This is pretty ugly, but we'll see. I like how it looks on the hour, but I can't ignore what else is happening over here in these other time frames. Welcome to Lodge. Legit. I started today. What advice do you have for me? My advice is don't start by trading. Start by learning. Yeah. That's my exact advice. Finger on the trigger. Yeah, I might take a full margin position here in a minute. You guys on TikTok, if you want to continue watching the stream, I'm live on YouTube. If you type Daniel Holmes Trades, the same name as my TikTok name, into YouTube, you'll see I'm live there right now. I'm going to continue the stream there. I'll catch you there. Come over now or else. Just gaslight TikTok. There's too much shit on my screen, bro. Oh, that's so much better for my eyes. So much better. Alright, let's see what's up over here. Trade logic, please. Just level, respected, breakout, push. But right now it's just ugly. So this sells below. I don't know what I'm doing here yet. Just being patient for a sec. We just broke below impulsively. So I'm just seeing really if this candle can, okay, I'll tell you exactly what I'm waiting to see. I want to see if this candle tries to push back up and what kind of reaction it has. Does it reject back down and push? Like, does it reject? Or does it go, you know what, I don't mind being up here and just keep going, which is what I would rather, because I don't want to sell gold. TikTok went down. Yeah, I decided to continue to stream just here on YouTube. Tap in just on YouTube. Tap in, my brothers. Hey, you guys, drop a thumbs up for the stream as well, you guys. 60 likes here and there's been over 1,000 people here. Wow, I'm a loser. You might as well have just said it to my face. At what point does the trailing drawdown stop following you on 100K? Once you start at 97 is a trailing drawdown. Once you get 3K in profit, it stops at the 100K point. Is this Fortnite? Yeah, it stops at that point. From TikTok, what up, what up, what up? Good to have you guys from TikTok over here. W. TikTok bandits. Make sure you guys on TikTok drop a subscribe, because I'm live here on YouTube every day. Yeah, I don't know about TikTok, but we're definitely live on Yui. Definitely live on Yui every day. To this day. W Nicholas. Well, I'm assuming that you mean that you threw that in, you actually applied saying that, and then yeah, that's good stuff. That's good to know. NQ's having a crack. Let's have a look. Oh, NQ is having a crack over here. This is all-time high, so let's look at a break above here maybe. Let's look at a break above here on NQ. Wow. Wow, NQ's trying to do this. All-time highs. Let's put that here. We could cook here on NQ from at some point soon. Yeah, I'll buy NQ if it stays. I'll buy NQ, I think. Yep. I'm happy to buy NQ. If we get a closure. Why not? Yeah, that's right, Chris. 110, sorry. Yeah, 100. $100,100. So what do we got? We got 4 minutes here for NQ closures. What do we got on gold? I don't like gold, to be honest. I don't like gold right now. This isn't pretty, you guys. Are you gonna really get with some chick that's not, okay, I shouldn't say that, but yeah, gold's not pretty. So we'll see if NQ can hold above this level. Oh, fuck. Do you ever take a trade on live? I only see you ever look in the mark. Hey, Princess, read what the text says. I'll take a trade if what my text says happens. If that doesn't happen, then I'm just like you, failing at this game. Guess what winners do? They wait. They wait patiently for one particular thing to happen. Does that one thing happen per day? Yes. Does it sometimes happen twice a day? Yes. So that's what we do. We just wait for that thing to happen. Because that thing to happen is a high probability setup. Other than that, it's just fucking gambling. Valid crash out, thank you. Nah, like gold's already moved 250 pips. What do you mean? Thank you so much for almost showing up, taking us with you to Dubai. Inspiration have moved to a 4-day work week. Wow. Awesome, Gavin. That's good to hear, man. Good stuff, bro. W, Gavin. Gavin Newsom. So let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. How much you charging for mentorship? Billions and billions and billions. 1 to 2 trades a day. Exactly. Look at Chuck says. 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all that you gotta do. And you guys are over here telling me to impulse buy and shit. Crash out, gang. Because there's different tiers, Paul. If you're asking too much, how much, it's probably not for you. Nah, it's not a Monday thing, Sydney. There's no like rules like that. It just does what it wants when it wants, based on economical events and just the world, the value of gold. Whoa, whoa. Okay, NQ, we're gonna play like this, are we? NQ's trying to play like this. Who took impulse buys there out of fear? Be honest in the chat. Who thought this is going up? This is all-time highs. I'm taking buys here. Do it. Be honest. There's 400 people here. Someone fucking did it. There's no shame in it. I would have done it back in the day. Not me. The old me did, yeah. I did not. Okay. Nice. We've got some good traders here then. We've got some traders that are mature and fucking Yeah, cool. I was expecting a pullback. Okay, nice. So look at this, gold's still kind of holding this ground just in this spot here. Gold's kind of holding this ground right here still. 15 minutes about to close down here. Not a ton of info on gold. If this can close green, I would be interested to bring my level down to here. But for now, I can't fucking... For now, I have to chill. I was closer to opening the candle, I probably would have got... Yeah. How much for entry level dimension? I don't know, bro. There's no secrecy. It's just I have a team that deal with all that as well. And it's not like... No, nice. Oh, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know about gold. I don't think anyone does. NQ, what do you got? Wick City. I'll be patient here for a little bit longer. I'll be patient here for another candle, and if we get something happening on this next candle, I'll G up, but if not... It's a Monday, man. Don't force anything on a Monday. Statistically, traders lose the most on a Monday. Are you going to really try and force on those statistics? Anytime you try to force anything, you end up in jail. So just be careful with that. Be careful with that Diddy shit, son. Ty freaking donated $5 but didn't say anything. Bro, that's like a jump scare when that pops up on the screen. That's literally a jump scare when that pops up on the screen. The biggest thing I've learned from you is your patience. I used to be so impulsive, but now, wait, yeah. But Chris, the reason, and I'm glad that you point that out, because I used to be the same. And I got so exhausted from it that I just had to stick to my rules, and one of the rules was waiting for it to see exactly what I need to see. Yep, waiting to see exactly what I need to see. Well, then why are you here, loser? I don't know how to delete. Bro, fucking hell. I'm trying to force this tilt. Bro, you're trying to force a tilt session. That's actually good. That's when your discipline's at such a level that you actually have to force a tilt session. I meant to say Shem's the man. Okay, fair call. That's a fair donation call, I would say. That's a fair dono. Bro, Shem will bench you, bro. Shem will literally bench you. Michael, what if I said mentorship? Why would that matter? Like, what does that even mean? How does that matter to you? Yeah, PA looks average as fuck. Average as hell. Have fun with gold, man, honestly. Yeah, I'll give it one more candle over here. I'll give it one more candle. I mean, I like that we're approaching all-time highs. Would you like a promotion for us to do? Oh, look at this Prop XP. Can anyone think of some sort of promotion? For example, like the promotion we had last week with the free accounts. I'll let you guys say, but anyone has any examples of, you know, what Prop XP could offer as some sort of promotion? Look, they're offering it. No, give it 2 more. I can't, man, my back's burning. Wow. Not ridiculous shit. Fuck. Bro. Wow. Of course people are going to say the most outrageous shit. $2 for 900 free accounts. Yeah, the promotion is you get a free account, but you have to trade FVGs on the 15-second time frame. Full margin FP accounts, yeah. Catch a tie. See you, bros. $4 hour, yeah. I'm using the 4 hours direction, but I'm really trying to look for some sort of lower time frame confluence. I'm really trying to get like a read on a lower time frame to give me an indication. Yeah. No, I think they're working on it, Ariel. Yeah, they're working on it. The Discord link in bio has expired. Oh, in my YouTube link? Yeah, I'll post it in the chat. Yeah, anyone here, free Discord community over here if you want to join the free community. We've got like 5,000 people here. I'll post it in the chat right now. But yeah, I'm going to see what this candle can do. I want to buy NQ, to be honest, if I'm being brutally honest. I'd like to buy NQ. Yeah, we'll see if gold can start to push up in the range, back up in the range. I don't like how gold's looking, bro. I have no read on gold. This is gold, and this one I'm just switching between NQ and gold. You can see this level here, all-time high on NQ. Why does today not look good? Not to look so. Yeah, we're just moving up on gold, Ali. Yeah. I'm gonna have to put this freaking thing back in the background. I didn't want to have it there because it looks shit, but I'll put it back so you guys can see what's in the background. MNQ and then MGC for gold. People will still ask what symbol is this, but there you go. Do you take the same rules as NQ? Yep, all the same shit. NQ is a bit different. Like you really want to make sure it's clean as fuck on NQ. And a high volume time. That's the biggest thing with NQ. Ensure that it's a high volume time. How do you understand if it's a high volume time? The size of the candles. Would you consider this a high volume time? No. Ugly kind of small candles. Or would you consider this high volume time? Yes. We've got volume in these bitches. Even this isn't the best. That's probably why it failed to break above, because we're going to need high volume in order to push through all-time highs. So with that being said, that's a bad idea as well. It's most likely going to be through the New York session if we are to break through again. And gold's looking like doo-doo. Yeah. Appreciate you guys. I'm about to launch the Raja vlog right now after this stream. The market's, nothing's happening here. Nothing's happening here. Low volume. Nothing's happening here. So I'm not going to trade this. This might be a no trade day for me. If I hang around a bit later and see something happening, maybe. But right now, nothing's happening here. So appreciate you guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel live every day. And I'm about to post this Raja video. So make sure you guys check it out, all right? Love ya.